Welcome to the Windows 10 and Computer channel, and we'll do a little series of videos looking into 2021. What will be the interesting stories and the interesting things to look at concerning Windows and Microsoft in general? Well, one of the things that we haven't heard much lately, but we have heard some talk about this in the past year and a half, is Windows 10 Cloud, and a lot of people have been asking what that is all about. Windows 10 Cloud is basically a Windows 10 operating system running in a server and that you connect with a device. That means that you can access whatever apps and whatever pretty much do like you will with a regular PC, but Windows isn't running on the PC. It's running in the cloud in a server. And of course, that means you could technically run Windows 10 Cloud client on a Mac, on a tablet, even on Android, as long as it's using a browser, because there'll be a browser access to it. And this might actually be something that Microsoft is going to talk more about in 2021. Now, this is not at all to replace Windows 10 as it is as a standalone operating system for computers. It is marketed more into being a business-oriented service. It is part of what we call, and Microsoft has called, Windows as a service since the beginning. And the idea behind it is that wherever you are, whatever device you have, you'll be able to run your Windows 10 desktop and favorite apps as if you had that PC with you. And it's the reasoning behind the Windows 10 Cloud. It's much more of a business thing than it is for consumers. Consumers will not be, I don't see this really useful as a consumer thing. But as a business side of thing, having your favorite apps run wherever you are on whatever device you will use, I think there is a need for that, because that means you'll be able to continue working and do what you want to do like you never left your PC at home. So there's a side of Windows 10 Cloud that I think is going to be interesting. And it'll be interesting to see how they implement this over time and who actually adopts this new style. And, that means you don't even need a very powerful device, because as long as you have a browser that can access whatever's happening on the internet, it's like streaming Windows on a device, basically. So this is going to be interesting to see, and we're going to probably hear more about it in 2021. And one of the reasons behind it is that some actually speculate that the Windows 10 Cloud client, coupled with Windows 10 X, could actually mean that even though Windows 10 X will not run Win32 apps, maybe Windows 10 X could be connecting to Windows 10 Cloud for apps that would run usually and do some workflow like you did before. So we'll all see all of that as it actually gets there, because Microsoft does keep quite a lot of secrets behind this. And will this have a future? That's anyone's guess. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.